Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Malecki, and in this video I'm going to show you how I built these sawhorses. Check it out. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. As you can see, these things are pretty rock solid. The whole point of this build was to work on some more traditional woodworking skills. I don't do a lot of mortise and tenon joinery, so I wanted to get some practice on an easy shop project that wouldn't cost me a ton to get invested in. If you like these and want to build them on your own, I do have a free plan available, and I'll have that link down below. You can download the PDF and then get rocking and rolling on these for your own shop needs. I want to send a big thank you out to Woodcraft for sponsoring this build. As you guys saw, I got a new hollow mortise chiseler and a new bandsaw. Both of those are going to be great staples here in my shop, and I am super excited to bring them in to many more projects down the line. If you want to see more details on this build, you can check those out at johnmalecki.com and check out the behind the scenes on my Instagram. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go punch your next project in the face, and I will see you on the next video.